Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to request verification on Instagram. So let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to your profile. Then after you're on your profile, go to settings right here, and here we can click on settings. Then here, what we can do is we can type in request verification. As you can see, we can click on request verification here. And now, as you can see, step one is to confirm authenticity. Now we can add an official identification document here, then confirm notability, show that the public figure, celebrity, or brand your account represents is in a public interest, right? So you got to do that. And then obviously links, add articles, social media accounts, and other links that show your account is in public interest. So what's so good about this is if you have a couple of, PR articles online about you, then you can, put all the articles right here. And I would suggest to have at least 3 articles, and then you would be able to get a verification, right? Because you're a public person, right? That's pretty much how to get a verification. So you need to have a good social media following, right? It doesn't even have to be good if you have public interest, right? And public interest is basically having public articles about you written, right? And you can always hire someone to do that, online. So yeah, this is basically how to request verification on Instagram. In 2022, it's the simplest way possible, especially if you have, again, public interest and public articles online. So I hope this video helps you out. If it did, leave a like down below, comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.